So here's my clear bird feeder for the food, just like so. And I'll show you from the inside when they're feeding. I love the view because you can see them eating the food. You can even see if the food needs to be replaced.